I'm picking up one of these mango shakes. All right. One of my favorites. How about that, huh? Hopefully I can survive that. Let's see. Nice. Okay.
Strasser.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. So look at this. Go down, sit down, have some shake. So in today's video, or this evening, I'm here in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, and I'm actually heading down to a place called Baywalk Park. But I gotta get across this street right here. So might be a little bit active. And it's pretty nice down here this time of evening. So let me get across and go down and check it out. Now it's been really good views down here. I was down here earlier this morning around 7 a.m. in the morning, and there's a lot of walkers down here at the time. So, and I mentioned that I wanted to come down here in the evening and check it out, as I heard it's a really nice place to visit. And now it's all cooled down. It's been hot the whole day. And there's a lot of tricycles here. So this is probably right here in the center, and I thought I'd start right here at this beautiful sign and kind of make my way around and kind of in a circle. That way I can cover everything. But I got this video here this morning. This is a really popular spot for pictures and video, so sometimes it's really pleasant around here. You can see all the little vendor stations. Looks like this is actually a Vietnamese. And they got all types of goodies here. Looks like an Italian place. I'm just gonna kind of loop it around. You know, if this content helps you out, please consider hitting the like button. It really does help out my channel. This is an ice cream place, I think. Kind of a mixture of different types of little eateries. But a souvenir shop. All these little catamaran boats out here, makes it look really nice as sunset. It's good to come down before it gets too dark, because sometimes the GoPro doesn't pick up very well once it gets really dark. This place really is. They have these little pedal bikes, look like tricycles. Love the mountains in the background. Really nice setting. Looks like a lot of families out. So let me know in the comments what you think about this beautiful park here in Palawan. I think it's really cool. And it's a really nice place to come in the evening. It's my first time, obviously, but I see a lot of folks that probably come out here quite a bit. Head down this way. Looks like a little ferry landing or something. I'm not really sure. So I'm going to go back and show you the eating places, and I'll kind of walk a little bit slow so you can see where the restaurants are in location to this. Looks like a popular spot. They even have the tricycle snack cart. A lot of food. It's like more souvenirs. Like some Palawan tribe. Interesting. So let's check this section out right here. Got what's right behind the parking lot. You can see it. Okay, here we go. This is food area. I love covering food. Had some good Filipino food tonight. That's a mango. So this is the end of this video. I'm gonna head back to the hotel and get ready for my big track up to El Nido tomorrow. So, you know, if this content helps you out, you know, please consider hitting the like button. It really does help out my channel. And I've actually rented a van to go up there. So the van is going to meet me at the hotel. So that's going to be kind of a video adventure in itself, getting up there. But it's going to be a lot of fun. And I've got some island hopping that I'm going to do. And I'm looking forward to that. So hope to see you in my next video. So see you from beautiful Palawan, Philippines. Later.